Well, hello guys, welcome back to the bench with Gilly here, aka Model Tank Guy. So we're just going to do a little channel shout out here. I got my first shop card. This is Munchkin Modeling Man 72. We all know him as Dan. Thanks for the kind words, buddy. You all see him right there. He's on Instagram and YouTube. That's a beautiful card. Love the card and Gundam there. Thanks, Dan. That's Dan, Munchkin Modeling Man 72. Thank you. My first shop card. And another shout out to Papa Dan and Colonel Reb. This year I joined their Deformed Cartoon Group Build 2022. You can find them both on YouTube. We all know Papa Dan and Colonel Reb. They put out a bunch of videos. This year I joined their group build, and for my entry I did one of Ming's Toon Taggers. There she sits, yeah. I like it. It's a white tiger. Made him look a little dirty, of course. Yeah, that's one of the kits I did. That was the Colonel Reb and Papa Dan Deformed Cartoon Group Build 2022. And that's the cute little sticker I got for participating and finishing. I'll be definitely joining again next year. Not sure what I'll be doing, but I'll be joining. Hope to see some of you guys there. And for my other little updates I've been working on, this is the Tamiya F4U1 half birdcage Corsair. So far I got all the paint down. As you can see, I'm doing the folded wings. Call out numbers 17F13 Pacific. Slide that off. Up next I'll be starting my weathering. Straight out of the box, didn't do anything fancy. So I'll let the paint work and all the weathering do all the talking for it later on. Stick around so you guys see the finish. That was the Tamiya 1.5 birdcage Corsair. And some of you know I'm getting back into the cars. So first one here is the car number 46, Woody Woodpecker, Monte Carlo. Put that guy right there. Put him on this side. You guys can still see what it's looking like. And here she is. That was a fun little build. Paint was pretty good. Masking. Windows came out nice. Can't say much about my clear coat. I had a bunch of I'm not too sure what happened, but she kind of had flooded parts here and there, and she didn't flow really good, but we got a nice coat on it. Here's the inside. First NASCAR after so many years. The engine. Had a rough time with the decals. They shattered as soon as I picked them up. And that was car number 46. Woody Woodpecker. Second one I'm doing is Jeff Burton's car number 99. So far, got the body, cage and all that painted up. There's two different grays in there, painted up the roll bars there, a different gray. Just get a little bit of a tone color here. Not quite done, still gotta do some finishing touches. Paint the instrument dash and everything else, add the seats. And there's the top part. I just put a nice couple clear coats on it. You guys see a shine come through. I got like 6 thin clear coats on it, so hopefully she holds after I sand her down and get some decals on it. That will just slide perfectly right over top of that. Still working on the motor and all the other fiddly bits that go with it. And another thing I've been working on, well, before I get there, I got a bunch more NASCAR kits coming. I know I showed these in an earlier video. One must-have here is the mellow yellow Pontiac stock car. We all know this show. And a couple of other ones here. Can't wait to get my hands on the new Salvino ones, which will be good. I hear they're pretty awesome. And another little kit I've been working on while hanging out with the guys at the Hobby Time Modelers here. Their Friday night live stream. I did the Academy US Transport Dragon Wagon. And you see some pictures there. Here's the little kit itself. It's a not bad little kit. Oh, don't worry about those unglued parts. There's a little monster itself. Nice little kit. Just gonna do some weathering with it and then call her finish. Gotta throw a tank on there, of course. And what tank would be good for that is this one. So this will be coming up one day, and when I'm done I'll show them both together. That'll be in the new year, because I'm not starting this one just yet. And that's pretty much it for what I've been doing the past 2 months. Hope you guys liked my last video there of the little review of my submarine. So next I'll be doing this one here. This is by Revell, the SR71 Blackbird. 172 scale. I'll be doing a quick video and review of this one. Hopefully I have her done by the end of the year. Well, that's my little shout out and update. So remember, take a look at Papa Dan and Colonel Red, and check out Munchkin Modeling Man 72. And yeah, have fun, keep on modeling. Catch you guys later.